What's up, guys? So it's been a long time since I did the last video content all about pieces, and it feels so fun being absent. Anyway, a lot has caught up with me, work, projects, so I couldn't do much about PC content. So we are in regards to the world of pieces, because that's where my domain is in terms of pieces, tech builds, what you call AI, and things to do with anything to do with either laptop features, Windows, or anything to do with ICT. So we're in a period where, guys, our interaction with AI has risen tremendously. So in the last maybe 5 months, upon my project completion, my project progress, I've been engaging a lot with AI, and I've come to discover that we have integrated AI in so many things, in our work, in our way of thinking, in our way of creation, in our way of doing stuff that maybe are beyond our capacity. I will use my example. I'm not a web designer. Naturally, I'm not a web designer. I can't do those HTML, CSS, JavaScript, those kind of stuff. But with the help of AI, I'm able to create a website because I have cut short the route of which I would have watched a lot of either tutorials on how to do it. So I engage it with AI to assist me to build the website. But the interesting thing, guys, it's not automatic. You have to understand the basics of how HTML works, how CSS works, how to do with interactive stuff like either creating buttons, links, those kind of things. So that when you're engaging with AI, you're giving it direct instructions on how to create that stuff tailored for your website or anything in relation to what you need from AI. Maybe a program, might be an executable, might be anything that involves to do with IT, or even just outside IT. It can be engineering, it can be design, all those kind of stuff. So with AI, guys, remember, without human mind, AI cannot progress so much. So in as much as we claim that AI has taken over everything, is defunct. It's not 100% true, because without human intervention, it cannot evolve, it cannot improve, it cannot, it's not smart like human beings. It's intelligent, but it's not smart like the human beings are. Not to discredit AI fanatics, but that's the truth of the things. AI has come to help us. It's a tool. Let me say it's a tool. It's not a replacement of human mind. It's a tool to assist us to bridge the shortcomings that we have had during our research, our findings, and our production. Whether you're in ICT, engineering, and you needed a structure of something, a framework of something, the AI will help you. You may use Copilot, you may use ChatGPT, you can even use the Firefly AI that is for Adobe for designs, all those kind of stuff. I'm not here to emphasize on you guys migrating to AI. Just understand it's like using a spoon or using your own hand to eat. At the end of it, you are eating food to build your body. So AI is a tool. That's my point. But my point is, it has evolved so much that it has integrated into so many things, into creating solutions where before we couldn't. So we used to struggle a lot in either reasoning, trying to discover how to solve this, but when you engage with AI, it will help you a lot. So guys, I'll be doing more content. I won't fade out. So just keep tabs on what I'm posting or my latest feed and my posts, whether on YouTube or on TikTok or wherever. I have my Facebook account too. You can also watch there. So they are linked down below on under this video. So head out and watch them. And feel free, guys, to engage with me in connection to maybe tech or build. I may not know 100% of everything, but the little I know will contribute to your other little that you know, and together we learn from one another. So thank you, guys. See you.